Good morning, guys. It's about 5 in the morning or so. Got Square Body loaded up on the rollback, and we are headed way out on the West Desert. We're going to be pretty much near the Nevada border and the Millard and Juab County lines here in Utah. If you want to look at a map, that's kind of what you'll look for. Now, we've got a Chevy HHR that is crashed or stuck down in a ravine, well off the road. He says a couple hundred yards off the road. And so we're gonna go see if we can recover it and haul it into an auto body shop to get fixed for him. So should be a pretty good time. You have to stay tuned. We'll bring you along for the ride and kind of show you what we got going on. So.
About an hour and a half out Highway 50 from our home base of Fillmore, Utah. We are on the Nevada border of Utah, Nevada. A little place you can see up there ahead is basically the border, called the Border Inn. Casino, restaurant, makeshift motel, but hopefully we get this recovery done. We're going to come back and have a little lunch there because it's a pretty good place to eat. So if you're ever out this way, you definitely want to stop and check it out. We're going to go ahead and turn right here shortly and start heading north. Beautiful. Desert roads are taking a toll on the old rollback. We might should have charged more. All right, keep going. Alright, we found the car. We gotta get off the main road here. Do some side hilling. There we go. So, it's just over this hill. Honestly, not too far off the road, but hard to find when you're looking in hills and valleys here.
Come right up through here. It's like windows broken, airbag deployed. Nice little crash. It's a heck of a ride from all the way up there through a big river and then to here.
I'm gonna hook up the yankum rope to our little rig here. The plan is we originally thought maybe we'd drag it out the way it came in, but that big ravine's not an option, so we're gonna go out this way. And if we can't drag it, we'll winch it, but I think we can go straight up here and up the edge of the road right there and back on the road. That is the plan, anyway. Hook her in 4 low and see what we can do. Yeah, looks like we're hooked. That way.
What'd you find? Oh geez.
Didn't I say no snakes? Here we are. Luckily the camera wasn't rolling when I seen that.
So as you can see, we made a couple poles with the yankum rope, got it up to here. This roadside stuff is some really thick sandy type stuff, and didn't really want to pull it up. I know I could have pulled it up had I aired these tires down, but there's a good chance I got to run this thing back to town on the wheel lift of the tow truck, and I don't have an air compressor with me, so I didn't want to air them down and then have to run a 3-hour drive with 5 psi in there. So we're winching the rest of the way up. We'll see if this will do it, but if not, we've got the rollback right over there that it'll definitely pull it up the rest of the way. So we'll keep winching here and we'll see what happens. We're on the home stretch. We'll just run down there and pick up what's left over junk that maybe fell off when he hit the riverbed and whatnot. So far so good.